In this video, we'll explain how to create and manage assignments. To begin, navigate to the Activity menu within the Roombr platform. Upon accessing the Activity menu, you will land in the Assignment tab, where all created assignments are listed. To create a new assignment, click on the plus icon located within the Assignment tab. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to fill in the necessary details for the assignment. Provide the title of the assignment, description, maximum mark, any attachments required. After filling in the assignment details, click on the Publish button. Once the assignment is created, you can set the due date, select the class, subject, and chapter to which the assignment will be published. Next, choose the students to whom the assignment will be assigned. You can select all students or specific students based on your preferences. Once the assignment is created and published, a notification will be sent to the selected students, informing them of the new assignment. Students can access the assignment from the Roombr feed or the Activity menu, ensuring easy access to the assigned tasks. All created assignments can be managed and monitored from the Assignment tab within the Activity menu. Here, you can track the progress of assignments, view the submissions, and make any necessary edits if required. You can edit the created assignment by clicking on the More option menu. Additionally, you can reassign the same assignment to any other class by selecting the Reassign option.
Roombr.